Domino's range of print and apply labelers has never been stronger with the introduction of the M230i. Designed for secondary and tertiary packaging applications across a wide variety of industry sectors, the M230i offers a fully modular solution to meet all your labeling needs. With high-resolution online printing for barcodes, text and graphics, the M230i ensures full GS1 supply chain compliance. Enhanced user capability and innovative new features simplify operations from label creation to print assignment. The intuitive full-color UI touch panel and quick-step software is combined in the familiar Domino interface, allowing you to navigate effortlessly through all the functions. And it is the first M-series unit to include Domino's unique intelligent technology known as iTech, which incorporates Sure Start single button application, ensuring perfect print quality on every job. The compact M230i offers unparalleled levels of overall equipment efficiency, with 600-meter ribbon and label capacity and tool-free magnetic print head mounting for minimum downtime. The higher print speed allows for reduced cycle times, making it perfect for faster production lines, all adding up to a lower total cost of ownership for your operations. Explore new applications, improve profitability, lower material waste, and reduce your production costs today. The Domino M230i. Higher capability, but still the most compact print and apply unit available.